Hello, children. Very good evening to you all. How are you doing, children? I wish you all a very happy belated Shivratri. Hope you have really enjoyed your day yesterday. Yes. What did you do yesterday, children? What did you do yesterday? Good evening to you all. Nairiti, hi Nairiti. Vignesh, hi Vignesh. Hello Dimple. Hi Darshit. Saharsh, hi Saharsh. Good evening Aditya. Deebu, hi Deebu. Pooja, hello. Pragya, hi Pragya. Vatsalya, Dimple. Shashmita, hi Shashmita. Shrinika, hi. Hamsini, hi Hamsini. Shashant, Jashwik, Deebu, Shushant, Amar, Satvika, Puneet, Shivik, Sherlin, Rajiv, Shushant, Kamalika. Hello to you all children. Vedika, Shruti, Shashant, Atif, Sara, Punashwita, Dakshit, Inaya, Sherlin, Risi, Puneet, Shri Adya, Rajiv, Ruhita, Pooja, Suhas, Sushant's first class. Welcome to the class, baby. Anvish, Ikanshi, hi, Hasib, Pranamya, Ashwath, he is doing well attending my live classes. Thank you so much, madam. Tilak, Krishika, Ritvik, Nibin, Rajvi, Pooja, Shanvi, Ritika, Krityu, Punaswita, Hemant, Darsha, Lukesh. Hi to you all children. Let me know if you are new to the class. Shrinika, you have to write alphabet. You should learn how to write letters. Okay, Shrinika? Avisha, Rohit, Hamsini. So, children, a very good evening to you all. Yogna, Kurushvika, Shreya, Shashti, Kiansh. I can also give some homework. Great. So, for tomorrow, the homework is children, everybody should write capital letters A to Z and small letters A to Z and show it to me on Monday. Okay? Say yes, ma'am. Say yes, ma'am. Everybody should write capital and small alphabet and show it to me in Monday's class. Okay? And this is for LKG students. Nursery students should show me only capital letters. All right, children? Everybody should write and show it to me in Monday's class. Tanishka, Uzair, Zara, Rohit, Raghav, Sanchay. Good evening to you all, children. So, can you quickly stand up from your places, all of you? Children, come on now, stand up from your places. Yes, yes, yes. Stand up, stand up. Everybody should stand up from your places now, children. Stand up from your places. Very good. That's great. Now, come on, children. Everybody start jumping. Jump, 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 jump. I'll count for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Advait, stand up. Everybody should stand up now. Come on, children, stand up. Now, and start jumping. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 jump. LKG students should show me capital and small alphabet. On Monday, make your kids write the work on my name. Okay, children, come on, start jumping, everybody. Why did you stop? Jump, jump, jump. Jump up high. Very good. Now, come on, children, everybody, turn around. Turn around. Turn around, round. You should turn around. Turn around. Very good. Turn around, children. Turn around. Very good. Now, come on, everybody. Stop, stop, stop. Enough. Bend forward and touch your toes. Bend forward and touch your toes. And then bend backwards as much as possible. Oh my god, oh my god. Yes. Good job. Now, come on. Bend forward and touch your toes. And then bend backwards. Once again, do it. Bend forward and touch your toes. And then bend backwards. I'll count to 8. Okay. Come on. Start doing it. Here. Look here. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Very good, children. Now, once again, put your hands on your hips, everybody. Hands on your hips and rotate your hips around 4 times clockwise, 4 times anti-clockwise. All right, children? Come on, start doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. For playgroup students, it's coloring. You can draw a circle and color the circle totally. Fine. Now put your hands on your shoulders. Tap your shoulders. Here you go. Look here, everybody. Tap your shoulders, children, and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again. Come on. Tap your shoulders, all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good, children. Very good. Now come on. Rotate your elbows round like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, very good, children. Now in the other direction. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 last. Good job. Good job. Very good, children. Now, what is the next exercise here? Come on, everybody, put your hands like this, like this, like this, and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Enjoy. Once again, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do again. Yes, come on, start jumping. It's just like you're boxing. How do you do boxing, children? 1. Once again, come on. You have to, everybody are standing, right? For you, it will be even more easy. Come, start. Jump forward and backward. 1. Once again. 2. 3. Once again. 4. One more time. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. But you need to do only 8 times. All right, fine. So, children, now come on, everybody. Sit down in your places, children. Sit down, sit down. Take your places, everybody. If you want, drink some water. Drink some water if you want. Okay. Now, can anybody tell me which day is today? Today is Friday. Sit down. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. And now can you tell me how many days are there in a week and what are they? There are 7 days in a week and they are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So total there are 7 days in a week. Do not forget there are 7 days in a week. Okay, children. Fine. Now, what is next? What is next? Can you tell me in which month we are in now? We are in. Any guesses? Yes, it's March. Now we are in March month. So, how many months are there in a year, children? There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. And they are, come on, everybody, look here, look here. Everybody should sit down now quickly. Here you go. Children, listen to me, look at me. 10 and 2, 12 months in a year. They are, very good, Sanraj. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So total there are 10 and 2, 12 months in a year. Okay, there are total 12 months in a year. And now we are in March. It's the third month of the year. March is the third month of the year. All right, children. Fine. Now, all of you, once close your eyes, everybody. Close your eyes like this. Nobody should peep and see what I'm going to do. Everybody should close your eyes right now. Come on, children, everybody, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Sure, should close your eyes. You shouldn't peep somehow like this. You have to close your eyes totally and open your eyes only when I ask you to open. Okay, children? Come on, everybody, close your eyes. Close your eyes. And here you go. Open your eyes and see, children. Here I have a beautiful magic lift the flap animals book for you today. How many of you like animals, children? Raise your hands if you like animals. Raise your hands if you really like animals. How many of you like animals? Oh, is it? Do you like animals? Wow. Come on. Now, let's see what is there inside the book. Okay? Yes? Say yes, ma'am. Okay? Come on. Can you see the lizard over here? What is this? It's a reptile. What is this? It's a reptile. Look at the lizard. How scary is that? Oh my god. Ew, lizard. And what is this? This is a macaw. What is this? It's a blue macaw. Blue macaw is a wild parrot. Do you know that? This is a wild parrot. And what's this one? Can you tell me what is this? Yes, it's a polar bear. It's a polar bear. And what is here? Can you tell me what is this? It's an elephant. African elephant. It's an African elephant. Today the weather is very nice. It's like nice, airy, cool outside. How is the weather like for you, children? Here the weather is very nice. It's not too hot today, especially this place. All right, come, children. Tell me what is this? It's an elephant. And what is it over here? It's a fish. It's a fish. Now let's see what is there inside. Okay? Okay? Ta-da! Wow! Did you see this one? How beautiful! These are all. Can you tell me what are these, children? Are they animals? No. Are they flowers? No. Then what are they? Are there different types of fruits here? No. Then what are they? Can you help me? I'm not able to recollect. What are these called, children? Yes, these are all birds. What are these? These are all Birds here. Birds. Okay. Now let's see. Can you tell me which bird is this one here? It's a goose. It's a goose. This is called goose. And which bird is here, children? It's a pigeon. Pigeon. This is called a pigeon. This is called a pigeon. Now, which bird is this one? This is a owl. It's an owl. Which bird is this? It's an owl. Now, owl fly during the. Let's flip and see the answer. Ta-da! Night. Look here. Owls fly at night. See the magic book. Nice, no, children? Now let's go here. Which bird is here? It's an eagle. Eagle. Eagle can fly high in the ta-da, sky. Oh wow. Eagle can fly high in the sky. And what about the duck? Duck love to swim in. Any guesses? Duck love to swim in. Ta-da! Water! It's water. Duck love to swim in water. Water. Okay. Now what is next? Emu. Did you see here, children? This is an emu. Emus are large birds, but they cannot fly. Oh, is it so? Emu cannot fly, children. All birds can fly, but emu cannot fly. Remember that, okay? Remember, emus cannot fly. Now, here, children, look here. Chicks. These are called chicks. Chicks hatch from. Chicks hatch from. Let's see. Dun, da, da. Eggs. Hooray. See, chicks means small birds. Chicks means young birds. Baby bird. Baby bird we call chick. Chicks hatch from eggs. All right, fine. So this is all about birds. Okay. Hi Devansh, you are a new student. Welcome to the class, baby. So children, this is all about birds, right? Now let's see what is there next. Okay. Ta-da! What here? Giant animals. Giant animals. What are these, children? Giant animals. Can you tell me what are these animals? Here you see a. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. Elephant. Did you see here? This is an elephant. Okay. And what is next here? It's a giraffe. What is this, children? It's a giraffe. 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 What is written here? Stand tall. Giraffes stand tall on their long. Giraffes stand tall on their long legs. Legs. Okay. How do the giraffes stand tall, children? On their legs. Look at the giraffe. How tall is that? Okay. Very good. Now, what is this? Which large animal has? Which large animal has horns on its nose? Any guesses, children? Hurry. Animal also has horn on the nose. I don't know. Let's see which animal is that. Dun, ta-da, ta-da. Oh, it's a rhino. It's a rhino. Rhino has a horn on the nose. Did you ever see a rhino, children? Look here. Rhino is having a horn on the nose. It's a rhino. And what is this? It's a It's a giant snake. Did you see here? It's a giant snake. And can you tell me which animal is this one here? It's a hippopotamus. 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 Mouths. Hippopotamus. Mouth. Open very wide. Hippopotamus. Mouth opens very wide like this. Like this. Look at the hippopotamus, how it is. And this is a bear. This is a bear. Bear is also a giant animal. Now let's see what is there next. Okay, any guesses? Ta-da! Baby animals. What is this, children? It's baby animals. Baby animals. Duck baby is called. Duck baby is called duckling. Very good. Lion baby is called cub. Very good, children. Lion baby, cub. Duck baby, duckling. Cow baby, calf. Cow baby is called calf. And what is here? Uh, what is this? Can you tell me what is this, children? Can you tell me what is this? This is a cute little kitten. It's a cute little kitten. And after her nap, the kitten has energy to. What do you do after sleeping? Once you get up in the evening, what do you do, children? We play. We play in the evening, right? Once the kittens are asleep, they play. Okay. And what is this here? This puppy will help build. uh, this puppy will help blind people by growing up to be. This is a small puppy. It's a dog. It's a dog. Puppy, dog. And what is it here, children? Seal. Seal baby is called pup. Seal baby is called pup. Tadpoles are prey to the frogs. Tadpoles are. Frog baby is called. Frog baby is called tadpole. Frog. This tadpole turns into a frog. Okay. And let's see what is there next. Wow! This is for the water lovers who all like to play in water, children. I like to play in water. What about you? Oh, you also like playing in water? Is it so? Okay, then let's see what is there here. Can you tell me what is this? It's sea lion. Sea lion. We call it seal. And here it's a octopus. Octopus. And can you tell me which marine animal is here, children? It's a whale. Look at the whale, how it's jumping out of water. Oh my god. And what all animals we have here? To help them swim, alligators have long tail. Alligators have a very long tail which helps them to swim. Do you know that? And what is it? What is this, children? It's a sea turtle. Sea turtle we see inside the water. Tortoise is different, and this is a turtle. This is a sea turtle. Okay. Which which water lover has 5 arms? Yes, it's a starfish. It's a starfish. It's a starfish. And children, fish comes in many bright fish comes in many bright colors. Colors. Fish comes in many bright colors. Did you see this, children? Here are many fishes. Fish comes in many bright colors. Yes, very good. Now let's see what is there next. Here you go. Oh my god, it's all about insects. Yes, they are. There are different types of insects. Did you see this one, children? These are called house flies. What are these called? House flies. These are called flies. Have you ever seen a fly like this? This is called a house fly. And what is here next? Which small insects digs a nest? Ant. Ant. Which what spider what spins a web? It's the spider. Spider spins a web. Spider web. And what is this, children? We have centipede and also the millipede. Okay, this is called millipede. This is beetle. This is another type of insect. It's beetle. This is grasshopper. What is this, children? It's grasshopper. And which animals lives in the shell? Can anybody tell me? Which animal lives in the shell? Ta-da! A snail. It's a snail. Did you ever know, children? A snail lives inside a shell like this one. Snail lives inside a shell like this. And again it will go inside this shell. Very good. And can you guess what's next? You only see here. Ta-da! Oh, wow. It's cold animals. What is it, children? It's cold animals. Can you see which bird is here? Here they are penguins. 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 And this one? Walrus. What is this called, children? This is called walrus. Walrus have very long tusk. We call this tusk. Okay, children. This is called tusk. Tusk. Walrus have very long tusk. Okay. And what is this, children? And albatross wingspan is very wide. Did you see this one? This is called an albatross. The wings of it is like open very wide like this. And polar bears live on land and can also swim in the... Do you know polar bears can swim in the sea also? Did you ever hear about it? See, children, polar bears can live in the Iceland and they can also swim in the water like this. Have you ever heard of this one? Polar bears live on land and can also swim in the sea. Can you guess what's going to be next? Ta-da! Here are colorful animals. What are these, children? These are the colorful animals. Did you see here? This is a frog. 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 We can also see frog in different colors like this. And did you see here? This is a chameleon. Chameleon can change its color. Chameleon can change its color. And this is a peacock. A peacock. Which bird does this colorful feather belongs to, children? It's a peacock. This feather belongs to? Can anyone tell me? This feather belongs to? Yes, it's a peacock. And can you tell me which insect is here, children? This is a dragonfly. It's a dragonfly. This is a dragonfly. And parrots can be many. Parrots can be in many bright colors, I suppose. Yes, see. These are called wild parrots, called macaw. Look here, children. And this is butterfly. This is a butterfly. Here are colorful butterflies. Which color butterfly do you like, children? Show me which color butterfly do you want? Is it the blue one, or is it the green one, or is it the red one? Which one did you like? Oh, is it? Great. And let's see what is there next. Wow. Spots and stripes. Stripes. Spots and stripes. Did you see this one? Did you ever see a dog like this one, children? Yes? This is called Dalmatians. Dogs which have spots, we call them Dalmatians. Do you ever see a lizard like this at your home? Oh, is it so? And what is here? Which animal with a white stripe can smell bad? Oh, it's a skunk. Even I don't know. Some fish have spots and some have stripes. Yes. Some fishes have spots like this and some fishes have stripes like this. Isn't it? What is this, children? It's a snake. It's a snake and it's a leopard. Leopard is a spotted animal. This has all spots on it like a leopard. And tiger has stripes on it. Tiger has stripes on it. Tiger have orange stripes. What animals have black and white stripes, children? This one you should guess now. Which animal is having black and white stripes? Any guesses? Any guesses? The last one here today. Tiger have orange stripes. What animals have black and white stripes? Can anybody tell me which animal is having black and white stripes, children? You have to guess. Which animals got very good? It's the zebra. It's the zebra. It's the zebra. Okay, children. So this is the Lift the Flap Animal book. Did you like this book? Yes? Do you want this book? Come on, take, catch. I'm throwing it to you. Catch, okay? Who took my book? Did you take my book, children? Who took my book? My book is not with me now. Who took my book? Come on, throw it back to me. I want my book back. Who took my book? Throw the book back to me, children. Thank you so much. This is my book. Thank you. All right, children. So that's all about the Lift and Flap book. Now, let's see the next thing today. Okay. I would like to quickly show you a chart on means of transport and then tell a story to you today. These are the different means of transport. Can you tell me which means of transport is this one, children? It's a cycle. How many of you have cycles at home? Raise your hands. How many of you have cycles at home? Raise your hands. Oh, do you have a cycle? I don't have a cycle with me. I used to have it in my childhood. Do you have a bicycle now or a tricycle? Is it a bicycle or a tricycle? You have both? Great. Nakshu is having only tricycle. She don't have a bicycle. All right, children. Oh, some of you have two cycles also. Great. Now, what is next? It's a car. It's a car. It's a car. A car has four wheels. Oh wow, a car is having four wheels and a bicycle is having how many wheels? Let's count it together. One and two. Two wheels. Cycle has two wheels and a car has four wheels. One, two, three. And where is the fourth one? Ma'am is saying the car has four wheels, but where is the fourth wheel? Yes, it's right behind this. Yes, it is on this side. You cannot see, but I can see. The car has four wheels. Okay. And what's next? Oh, it's a bus. It's a bus. A bus also has one, two, three, and this side one. Four. Four wheels. How do you go to school every day? How do you go to school, children? By the bus. And by the way, how many of you have car? Do you have a car? Yes? Great. Which car? What is the color of your car? Is it white, red, silver, blue, black? We all have cars, right? Very good. Now, tell me, how many of you have bus at home? Raise your hands. Do you have bus at home? No. Why? You don't have bus? We have a bus. We have a school bus, which is yellow in color. Our school bus is yellow in color. We use school bus to pick up you all kids from home to the school. How many of you wants to get into our school bus? Do you want to come to our school, children? Yes? Yes? Okay, then I will send our school bus to your house. Okay? Be ready. And the school bus will pick you all up and get into the school. All right? All right? Very good. You might not have a bus, but you must have had a toy bus with you. Yes. And can you tell me which land transport is this one over here? This is an auto. This is an auto. How many wheels an auto is having, children? Shall we count? Yes. One, two, and on the other side, three. So auto has three wheels. Auto has three wheels. How many of you have auto at home? Raise your hands. Do you have an auto at home? No. But why? Auto is a public transport. That's why we don't have auto at home. Okay. Auto is a public transport. And that is the reason we don't have it with us. Bus is also a public transport. And that is the reason we don't buy buses. Whereas car is a private transport. Car is a private transport. Okay. Of course, cars are also public transport, but mostly they can be used in both the ways, public and private. All right, children. And can you tell me the next land vehicle here is a train? Train. What is this, children? It's a big train. It's a big train. How many of you like trains? Did you ever be on a train, children? Have you ever been on a train? Metro train at least? Yes. Trains are really very nice things to get on, right? We can go long distances on train. In our childhood, trains are very popular. And what is the next? These are the roadways. What are these, children? These are the roadways. These are the roadways. And next are the waterways. 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 Can you tell me what is this? It's a sheep. It's a sheep. It's a sheep. How many of you have been on a big ship like cruise? Yes, ships are very nice that they take people from one place to another. They go really very long distances in water, like days together, months together. They sail on sea. Okay. Now, can you tell me what is this? It's a yacht. We call it yacht. Actually, this is not yacht. It's a sailboat. We call it a sailboat because this boat sails with respect to the wind direction of the wind. This is called sailboat. What is this called, children? It's a sailboat. This boat sails on the sea with the help of wind direction. Okay, children. See, here you see these are the clothes. And this is a boat. This is a rowboat. Row. We will have to row the boat in the sea, right? This is used for short distances. This is called rowboat. This is called sailboat. This is called a big ship. Get the difference correctly, children. Okay. Oh, Lukesh, your chacha is working in ship only. Great. Boat. This is a boat. This is a boat. Okay. This is a boat. This is a rowboat. We have to row the boat with the help of this stick. Have you seen this one, children? A long log. We use this to row the boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Okay. This is the rowboat. This is the sailboat. And this is the ship. These are all waterways. We call them waterways. We call them waterways. Akshat, why are you not listening? And what are next, children? Airways, 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 airways. Can you tell me what is this one? Oh, wow. I know this is your favorite one among all the travel modes. It's an aeroplane. It's an aeroplane. How many of you have aeroplane at home? Raise your hand. Do you have an aeroplane at home? No. Why? Why didn't you get one? So, this is a public transport again. Okay, children. Aeroplanes are public transport. If we want to go from one place to another in a very short time, we get on aeroplanes because aeroplanes are really very fastest means of transport. Aeroplanes are really very fastest means of transport. Everybody must have had aeroplane toys, I know, because you really love aeroplane. Yes. How many of you like being in airport? Everybody likes being in airport. I know mostly you kids love to be on aeroplane in airports and all, right? Very good. So this is an aeroplane. Aeroplanes are fastest means of transport. Okay. And can you tell me which air transport is this one? It's a helicopter. 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 Who is having helicopter at home? A real big helicopter at home. Again, yes, helicopter. You must have had toys of aeroplanes and helicopters at home. But again, these are the public transport that we cannot have them at home. Okay, these are the public transport. We use helicopters to have a look around the town or for the rescue service. We use helicopters for the rescue service. Have you ever seen in the Peppa Pig show? They always use this helicopter for the rescue service. Yes, they put it on the autopilot mode and then do the rescue needed. Helicopters are the rescue service. Okay, children. These are about the modes of transport. This is all about the means of communication. What is that? Means of transport. Okay, this is all about the means of transport, children. Now, children, can you point out to the train here? Can you point out to the train? Very good. Here is the train. Can you point out to the aeroplane now? Can you point out to the aeroplane now? Very good. Here is the aeroplane. Can you point out to the bicycle now? It is there on that corner. I can't reach my hand still there. It's there. Okay. Now, can you point out to the ship, children? Where is the ship? It's there. Here, ship. Can you point out to the auto, children, now? Where is the auto? Here it is, auto. Can you point out to the rowboat? Row, not sailboat. It's rowboat. This is the rowboat. Can you point out to the bus? Bus. This is the bus. Okay, children, these are the different means of transport. Okay, now come on, children, tell me which one is your favorite means of transport. Let me know which one do you like. What is your favorite means of transport, children? Show me. What is your favorite means of transport? Show me what is your favorite means of transport. What is your favorite means of transport, children? What is your favorite means of transport? Tejashri, you are a new student. Welcome, baby. Car is your favorite. Very good. Car, auto. Yes, I told you in the last class as well. In our school, we used to have field trips. Okay, every year. In that, one field trip is on the travel modes. Everybody wants to get into auto only at that time because kids are so much fascinated to get on auto. What is your favorite mode of transport? Aeroplane? Yes. Nakshu's favorite mode of transport is also aeroplane. She says, why can't we go into aeroplane to school? Why can't we go to somewhere in aeroplane? She wants to be in aeroplane every day. I asked her to be a pilot, then you will be on aeroplane every day. Helicopter. Rohan, you can also be a pilot so that you can be in helicopter every day. Aditya, bus. Oh wow, very good. Because you like going to school. That's why, Aditya. You can nicely hop on bus and go. There are some students in our school who stays just next lane. Their parents can drop them to school, but they wanted to come in school bus. And that is the reason they'll come in bus because they want that joy of coming along with friends in the school bus. They want to get on the school bus, they want to get down the school bus, and things like this. Boat, very good. Very good, children. So, these are the different means of transport. Okay. If you have really liked the session, please hit a like button because today nobody has liked my session. Thank you so much, but nobody are liking my online class. You have not liked any of my video today. Please hit like if you have really liked this session. Please. Adya, you are a new student. Welcome, baby. Okay. So, somebody said you like Tonga, no? Thank you so much for liking my session. So, children, come on quickly name the different travel modes. Can you tell me which travel mode is this one? Land, air, water. Quickly, you should say. Nursery students just say the name as helicopter, but UKG students say whether if it is a land vehicle, air vehicle, or a water vehicle. Please say Ved name. Ved only. Name is Ved, ma'am. Hi, Ved. Debansh, Shreya. Everybody look here now. Please hit a like if you have really liked the class. This is a helicopter. Helicopter is a air vehicle. And can you tell me which vehicle is this one? It's a scooter. 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 Ahil, look here. Scooter. Raghu, you like bullock cart? Yes, that is बहुत मजा आएगा. That is also a beautiful vehicle to be on. Bullock cart. Can you tell me Which vehicle is this one, children? It's a bus. It's a bus. And yes, I told you, no, even my daughter likes to be on bus. She always says when she looks at bus like this, she says, we'll go to some granny's house or anywhere because she can get into bus. So she wants to be in bus, that's why. And mostly that sleeper bus. So, parents, you can make sure your kids will have the joy of being in all types of transportation, and do not forget to click picture when they are on a bus or when they are on a what bullock cart or when they are on bikes or all these travel modes, because now you may not find it any important, but once they grow up, when they look back at that, they will feel so surprised and they'll feel so happy that they have been on so many different types of travel modes. Can you tell me? This is a motorcycle. We call it motorcycle. Okay, children, we call it motorcycle. This is a Tonga. 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 Tonga is a carrier driven by horse. Horse. This is also called a ship. Ship, big ship. Can you tell me what is this, children? It's a truck. It's a truck. Disha, tell me what is this? It's a truck. This is an aeroplane. This is an aeroplane. Can you tell me what is this, children? It's a train. It's a train. It's a train. Can you tell me? Here you go. Your favorite, bullock cart. It's really fun to be on bullock cart. What is this, children? It's a bullock cart. Bullock cart. Afia, look here. Tell me what is this? It's a bicycle. It's a bicycle. It's a bicycle. And can you tell me which travel mode is this one? It's a camel cart. We have camel cart, bullock cart, and Tonga. Okay. Can you tell me which vehicle is this one here? It's an auto. It's an auto. It's an auto. This is a jeep. We call this jeep. Jeep. And this is a car. 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 All right, children. So, if you have really liked the session, please hit a like button, because there are about 200 plus parents seeing and only few of you liked the video. That's why. Okay. So, hope you have really enjoyed the session today. Have a very happy weekend, children. And see you again on Monday evening, 4 o'clock. Till then, stay tuned to our channel. Okay. Bye, children. Have a nice day. My routine video I will put. I wanted the video to be very nice and professional. That is the reason I'm not, I'm not just like that putting the video. No, I'm planning to show you all my 3 schools once this lockdown and all is over. In the month of June, I will introduce you to all my teachers, our students, how a day goes in my life, how a day goes in our school. I'll show you all the 3 schools, everything. You just stay tuned to my channel. I'll also show you what kind of activities we do in the school every week. We have a timetable in the school, like from Monday till Friday. I'll show you everything. Just that I'm waiting for the school to get started. And I'm also planning to share nice videos with you in this summer, because your kids are at home. And I would like to share with you activity planner for summer for preschoolers at home, so that every day you can make your child do one activity. Summer camp is not there, no, that's why. Oh, ma'am, you got that maple book? Yes, it's good enough to practice cursive handwriting. Yes. In our school, also, we keep referring parents, if the child is not writing properly in the beginning, because they don't know, right? So they have to practice in books like that. First, it will be very easy for the kids to learn writing. Not only for cursive writing, if you are finding difficulty in making your kids to write alphabet, also, first, in my video in the description box, I have shared you beautiful links for books which you can purchase online and make your kids write. Because for the first time writers, that pattern books will be very much helpful. I will keep all my home tour, everything. I will show you my life, morning till evening. Summer activities, no? Yes, yes, even I am planning. I wanted to do one nice, at least 30 to 40 videos for the summer. Generally, we conduct summer camp here every year. We used to have so many students in our summer camp as well, because we teach them dance, we teach them yoga, we teach them personality development, we teach them. For that also, we have a timetable. We used to do nice summer camps, but this year, I don't know. I have to see what we are going to do with respect to summer camp this year. Thank you so much, Hadiba. Writing you can start as early as 2 years, but then writing doesn't mean they should write only alphabet. You can teach them coloring first with the help of crayons. Slowly, 3.5 year onwards, you can start them to write properly in notebook. 2.5 year onwards, you can start them. 2.5 year onwards, you can make them color and write in pattern books. 4 year, how to teach writing. I made a beautiful video in my channel, how to teach writing for 4-year-old. You can go back and check, ma'am. Diviksha, hi baby. Where did you buy this animal book? We have thousands of books in our school. Did you see this one? Monday I will tell you, this giant books also we have. Did you see the size of this book, how big it is? This is almost a size of more than my hand. And we have so many books like this in our school. This will be very, kids will be very much interested to read from this kind of giant books. See, big books for them. They really like to read from this kind of books. This book, the size of this book is really very big. If you can see, 1 2 3 handstands. I thought of telling this story today, but then I will tell you this story on Monday. Okay, children, so don't forget to come to the session on Monday. We have a beautiful school library in our school. I'll show you all those. Laksh- Lashika, I'll tell body parts on Monday. Nishchita, hi Nishchita, how are you? How to teach letters, I have already made a video, you can go back and check. Storytelling, Monday I will tell that story. The great race, the hare and the tortoise. Danya, hi baby. Sahasra, hi. Nishchita, hi. Suhas, you enjoyed the class? Very good. Afia, learned Thirsty Crow. Great. Very good, Afia. Puneet, hi Puneet. Yasi, thank you so much, baby. Shashmita, hi Shashmita. Tejashri, hi. Puneet, hi. Vasudev, hi Vasudev. Can anybody tell me? Mm, your baby likes to watch my videos. Thank you so much. Hi, Vignesh. Shristi? Hi, Shristi. You wrote on your own, Shristi? Very good. Good girl. Keep it up. Anvi? Hi, Anvi. Thank you so much, baby. Drushika Murugan. Dua, Dia, how are you, twin girls? Anvi, hi. Avni, hi. Hi, Avni. So, hope you have enjoyed today's session, children. Don't forget to come live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday evening, 4 p.m. Thank you so much, Life and True Reviews, madam, for liking our channel. Nishita, hi. How are you? Hi, Tilak. Ahil, hi, Ahil. Shreya, hi. Please look pattern book. Pattern book link I have shared in the description box of how to teach writing to kids video. Description box you have pattern book link. That is the best book you can buy. That book costs not more than 100 200 rupees. Morning class 9:30 to 1:30 tak we have classes only in the morning. Four batches we have in the morning. 5-year old story book also, ma'am. In my video there is a stories. There are some 3 4 videos on stories. In that video's description I mentioned few story books, you can go back and check. Hi Ritanya. How to attend morning class? You can send me an email, ma'am. I will give you the details. Those classes have a fee structure actually, because we are training students, no? That's why. Yes, you have to pay online because those are interactive classes. That's why. Yes, Maria likes my. So everybody like this butterfly rhyme, one circle rhyme, and that open close rhyme. Crazy. All the kids like these three rhymes so much. Senior KG students also, yes, we have classes. We have that 3 months course for senior KG students in the morning, so that it will be easy for them once they get into first class. You can, people who are interested in the morning classes, you can email me. I have given my mail ID. I also given my phone number. You can WhatsApp me or you can email me. Thank you so much, Ranjit. Isha, you're fine now. Great. Varun, hi Varun. So children, classes is for preschool only, 3.5 years to 5.5 years. All right, children. So hope you have really enjoyed the session today. I'll see you on Monday again. Till then, take care. Bye. Have a great weekend, children. Bye. Harshib, hi. Now bye. Ma'am, you are giving writing practice too? Yes, in the morning classes. Nakshu did not come to school today. Suddenly she started crying. Dude, she don't want to come to school, she's saying nowadays, because of her teacher. She's scared of her teacher now and she started saying, no, I don't want to come to school. I don't want to come to school. Ma'am is making me to write so much. She started saying that. So I gave her holiday today. Yesterday is a holiday. So today also she wanted to take a holiday. I thought, okay, fine, I give 4 days holidays for her. So Nakshu is at home. I think I told you ours is a joint family. So she stayed back today. She'll come on Monday. Thank you so much, Bharan. You like Nakshu? Hi, Maria. All right, children. So I'll see you again on Monday. Take care. Bye, everybody. Ajilesh is waiting for what? Ajilesh. Hi, Ajilesh. Have a great day. Bye. Maria, bye. Pavin, bye. Okay? Bye then.